Let's make chocolate pudding. Add 2/3 of a cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt to a pot and give it a whisk. Add 2 1/4 cups of cold milk, half of it at a time, then stirring it in with a spoon or whisk until all incorporated and there are no lumps. Set burner to medium heat and bring the mixture to a boil while constantly stirring. Let it boil for 1 minute while stirring, then remove it from the heat. Add 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and stir those in until incorporated. Pour into serving bowls, let cool about 10 minutes, then eat it warm or cover with plastic wrap and chill in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Remove the plastic wrap and serve. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.